Mexico as far as we could tell. They kept saying, yo quiero Taco Bell. Lions and tigers and bears, oh my. I don't buy the cover up in lies. You don't have to convince me. There's an animal conspiracy. Dallas 1963. Up in the book repository, sending the signal was a mole. Crossed the way on a grassy knoll. Firing the bullets in that Texas city was none other than the sniper kitty. Lions and tigers and bears, oh my. I don't buy the cover up in lies. You don't have to convince me. There's an animal conspiracy. It was one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Buzz Aldrin and Neil Armstrong, the history books got it wrong. It was apes and chimps flying that rocket ship. They see you when you're sleeping. They know you're made of meat. They know you've been up to no good and your taste is hard to beat. In the year 2001, on the day of 9/11, things will never be the same. Thanks to snakes on a plane, the slithering fiends took control, raining terror upon America's soul. Lions and tigers and bears, oh my. I don't buy the cover up in lies. We had